What are you trying to do, guys?
Ping where we are.
On a GPS?
Yeah, trying to get any signal at all.
And any luck?
No.
No.
With the way the line goes, we should end up in the very north end of the battery.
Right.
No.
So,
It's not pinging.
and that makes sense with the valley below
Can't see daylight or anything, so whether a bit of
and that counter score. What I might do is,
where it is.
if I've got the original water park plan for it. If I can I'll get a modern Google image and then I'll just put the original plan over the top and fade it in, so it'll show you.
And how long's the tunnel? Do you know how long the tunnel is?
200 odd metres, I think. They did down there, didn't they?
I've just noticed, guys, what the size of that stone.
Yeah, I noticed that as well.
Where on earth did that come from? This stone here, Wes.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. They've thrown that down, trying to block it, and that's
And
probably why they put that.
Yeah.
But the point is, Wes, it's not a rock, it's a cut stone, isn't it?
Yeah,
But where has it come from, though?
I don't know.
It is colossal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's probably about a ton and a half, I reckon.
Probably destroyed a building to infill it, didn't they?
God. And there's the door to, we don't know where,
No.
but we might know one day.
Probably leads up into. I can't imagine. It'd probably be a mortar pit.
Is Matt already
just in front
down
of
there,
it.
is he?
Right. They're clean steps. At least you can see them now.
Oh yeah, they were dropping crap last time,
Yeah,
weren't
it's
they?
just a slide. Certainly like this. You
Yeah, in all fairness, we are going deep enough, aren't we?
can actually-
Right, careful.